Hey everyone, today I want to take you on a journey through one of the most empowering messages about faith and obedience. We're diving into two profound sections: the power of God's presence and obedience, and divine turnaround, restoration, and spiritual warfare. Let's start with King David. David knew the secret to his victory and success was having God at the center of his reign. Unlike Saul, who tried to rule without seeking God's presence, David prioritized establishing the tabernacle. This was more than a symbolic gesture. It was a declaration that God's presence was essential. But here's the kicker: obedience to God's instructions. There's a story about Uzzah touching the Ark of the Covenant. It might seem like an innocent act, but it was against God's commands, and Uzzah faced immediate consequences. This isn't just about following rules, it's about understanding that God's blessings come with specific instructions. Just look at the contrast between Uzzah and Obed-Edom. Obed-Edom's household was blessed simply because he housed the ark. Obedience, even when it seems unconventional, leads to blessings. Now let's move on to the second part: divine turnaround, restoration, and spiritual warfare. This section is all about the promise of a divine turnaround. It's about having unwavering faith and aligning yourself with God's word to experience transformation. You might be facing delays or setbacks, but this message reassures us that help is on the way, exceeding human capabilities. But don't be fooled, spiritual warfare is real. The enemy tries to hinder our progress and steal our blessings. We need to be vigilant and proactive in our faith. Look at the biblical examples of individuals who faced and overcame spiritual opposition. Victory is attainable through prayer, spiritual discernment, and unwavering trust in God's power. Finally, this message calls us to action. It urges us to embrace spiritual renewal and actively engage in our faith. It's time to break free from complacency, shed old habits, and fully surrender to God's transformative power. Remember, God's authority is unmatched, and the promise of victory is ours. Walk in the fullness of your spiritual inheritance. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Let's unlock God's promises together. Until next time, stay blessed.